Good morning, student. 10th class chemistry, chapter number 9, ammonia. Our topic is manufacturing of ammonia by Haber's process. In this process, here we can see two outlets. Figure 9.4, manufacturing of ammonia by Haber's process. So, two outlets are there, one for nitrogen and another for hydrogen. Nitrogen 1 volume and hydrogen 3 volume. These both the gases is coming through this pipe in the compressor. This is a compressor pump which is used to compress the gas. Gas is compressed and it is coming down in the electrical heated catalytic chamber. So it's a type of heater. In this chamber, catalytic is present as well as promoter is present. Catalytic we use here finely divided iron and promoter is molybdenum or aluminium oxide. Gas, when treated through this catalytic chamber, converted into ammonia and passing through this curved delivery tube. Here we can see the cooling chamber. This cooling chamber is to cool this gas. When the gas get cooled, it get converted into liquid ammonia. How the gas will cool? Here by providing cold water, so that with the help of this cold water, the pipe get cooled and the gas inside will convert from gaseous state to liquid state, and thus we will get the liquid ammonia. If suppose any particle uncompressed, then the uncompressed gaseous molecule will move again through the compressor. This pipe is called as a recirculating pipe. So gas has to recirculate and then again it comes to the catalytic chamber, and then same process that the gas passed and now here it get cooled and get converted into a liquid. So like this the liquid ammonia get collected. Reactant we know nitrogen and hydrogen. Sources: nitrogen gas obtained by frictional distillation of liquid air. Hydrogen obtained from Brauch process. Reaction: nitrogen 1 molecule reacting with 3 molecule of hydrogen. This reaction is reversible reaction and exothermic. Here we will get the 2 molecule of ammonia, that is 2NH3, and heat is also evolved. Favorable conditions: temperature should be optimum temperature 450 to 500 degrees Celsius, pressure about 200 atmospheric, catalytic finely divided iron, promoter molybdenum or aluminium oxide. Here in this, catalytic is used to speed up the reaction and promoter is used to increase the efficiency of the catalytic. So in this way, when the conditions are favorable, the reactions takes place and we will get the liquid ammonia at low temperature and high pressure should provide to convert the gaseous state to a liquid state, and thus the ammonia get collected